Okay, day 2 at Texas Mile. We're in line. The DA is super good right now. Earlier it was negative 320 feet. However, now the sun's come up a little bit, so we're probably back to 0, if not a little in the positive. But check out some of the cars that are out here. This Fox Body has a procharged LS, makes 870 wheel. Pretty cool. Hellcat, turbo Mustang, C601 up front.
Cammed out police car.
C8. Oh yeah, the San Marcos wrap. He was running 160s, 170s. Pretty impressive. This C8's cool. I'm curious to see what it will do. I'm assuming somewhere in the high 160s, maybe low 170s. Anyways, we're in line and hopefully be running soon.
So NASA calls it no RUD, R-U-D, and they make little stickers, and I want to get some. And it's just a white, circle with RUD, and it stands for Rapid Unscheduled Disassembly. I want to get some made. Yeah, it's a real thing with NASA. And they'll put like stickers on like no RUD, and it has like the little do not enter sign with like the circle with a hyphen going across it.
Yeah, you just have RUD.
No RUD.
Hey, smash it.
Yeah.
Hey, don't shit the bed.
All right. All right, the air is super good right now. It's the first run of the day. If we're gonna beat our personal best, it's gonna be this pass. After this, the air is gonna get real hot. The density altitude is gonna go way up. We're not gonna have that advantage. Dang it, dude. It was a really clean pass, but I only did 173. I'm not sure why. It doesn't really make sense.
Sounds like good shifts, though.
Yeah, that's the weird part, is that run was a 173 with best DA, good launch, good shifts. So what is the variable that makes it slow down or pick up?
Who knows? Where's the wind coming from today?
Where are the little...
You got a quartering headwind. Yesterday you had a tailwind.
I think that's what it is.
Might be.
One of the
Might be
factors.
part of it.
Yeah. Hard to say. Not too sure what to do. Alrighty, so I'm gonna take my 175 2-pass as the best for this weekend on this combination. I really don't want to keep beating up the car and cooking the brakes while we're still not attainable to get the record, the 183 today. So here's the big question though, that I'm still trying to mull over and think on. Would the car be faster with a 410 rear gear so that I can shift through fifth gear quicker, because fifth gear with 410s would top out right at 183, which is what the record is. So that gearing would theoretically be perfect. Or is it faster to go to a higher gear, like a 320 or a 3.0, and I can stretch fourth gear out for the entire mile? Because fourth gear would have less parasitic loss than fifth gear. I'd have one less gear change to make, and that could be faster too. The problem with that though method is the RPM torque band on the motor is from like 55 to 7, if not even 6 to 7. And so by me stretching out the gears, would that be slower? Or by me quickening the gears and running 5, would that be faster? So just some of the thoughts to be thinking on. I gotta ask the differential guys also what their thoughts are, and talk to some of the people who are smarter than me on what would be faster for the combination. But let me know your thoughts. Love to hear it if you have an opinion. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you all next time.